Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN to get free internet data. And yes, when I say unlimited data, I mean it can help you bypass some restrictions and save data. But it's not magic. You're not going to get actual unlimited data for free everywhere. Now, the VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN. Before we start, if you want the safest and most reliable connection, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, secure, and works in most regions without issues. Once you've done that, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for NordVPN. Tap Download and wait for the installation to finish. After it's installed, open the app and log in or create your NordVPN account. The app interface is super simple and smooth. You'll see a clean map showing available locations and a quick connect button at the bottom. Tapping it will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server based on your location. Perfect if you just want instant protection with one tap. If you'd like more control, open the Servers tab at the bottom. NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries, so you'll easily find a connection that works best for you. NordVPN also includes some specialty servers for specific needs. The dedicated IP servers give you the same IP address every time you connect. Useful if you want a consistent connection for banking or business logins. The double VPN servers route your connection through two servers for extra encryption and privacy. If you're in a region with heavy censorship, use the obfuscated servers, which are designed to bypass VPN restrictions completely. You also have Onion over VPN servers that combine NordVPN's encryption with the Tor network for maximum anonymity, and peer-to-peer servers optimized for file sharing and torrenting. You can either pick servers directly from the map or browse them in a list format. Now, to adjust your preferences, go into the Settings tab. Here, you'll find VPN protocols like NordLynx, IKEv2, and OpenVPN UDP or TCP. For most users, NordLynx is the best choice. It's fast, lightweight, and super reliable for streaming, browsing, and everyday use. NordVPN also includes a kill switch feature, which instantly cuts your internet if your VPN connection drops, keeping your data protected at all times. Plus, threat protection helps block ads, trackers, and harmful websites before they even load, giving you a smoother and safer browsing experience. There's also an auto-connect feature that automatically connects your VPN whenever you join a new Wi-Fi network. You can set trusted networks or keep it on all the time for continuous protection. And that's it. Your device is now connected through NordVPN, letting you access more content, save on data in some cases, and enjoy a safer internet connection. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start using it to get better access to the internet and save data wherever you are.